In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a Jira ticket. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to brush up on your skills, understanding how to effectively comment on tickets can seriously bolster your team's communication and collaboration efforts. So let's dive straight into it. To get started, you'll need to access Jira, log into your Jira account and navigate to the main dashboard. From there, the first thing you want to do is head over to your work. This area is like the command center for all the tasks and projects you've been working on or are assigned to. It makes tracking your contributions seamless and straightforward. Here you'll find all your projects neatly organized and readily accessible. Once you arrive at your work, it's time to select a project that you're working on. If you're involved in multiple projects, take a moment to locate the one you're focusing on right now. Projects in Jira help keep tasks structured and trackable, whether you're dealing with software development, marketing, HR, or any other domain where workflows can be managed. Choosing the right project ensures that your comments and updates are logged appropriately, maintaining the integrity and context of the work being done. Now, you'll want to click on Backlog. This is located on the left panel within your selected project. The backlog in Jira is an essential feature because it houses all the tasks that currently are or will be worked on by your team. From here, you can see tasks at a glance, monitor progress, and prioritize what needs to be done based on your team's workflows and deadlines. This will help you quickly find the specific ticket you intend to comment on. After accessing the backlog, you need to select the ticket you want to work on. Each ticket in Jira represents a task or an issue that has been logged within the project. These tickets are integral to the Jira system as they allow team members to document progress, provide updates, and record findings directly relevant to the project workflow. Selecting the appropriate ticket allows you to see all associated comments, attachments, and activity logs, an invaluable feature for staying up to date with ongoing developments. At this point, once you've opened the ticket, you're ready to add your comment. Look for the Add a Comment box at the bottom of the ticket's main page. This area is where communication happens. You can share insights, ask questions, provide updates, or clarify issues. Remember to be clear and concise in your comment to ensure that anyone reading it understands the context and intent of your message. Jira comments support rich text formatting, which means you can bold text, underline, or even add code snippets if they are relevant to your update. This feature can be a real time saver when you need to emphasize key points or share technical feedback. After writing your comment, take a moment to review your text. Ensure everything you've written makes sense and serves its purpose. Sometimes a brief proofreading step can prevent misunderstandings that might arise from a hasty comment. When you're satisfied with your comment, you're almost at the finish line. The final step is to hit save. Clicking this button will publish your comment to the selected Jira ticket. Keep in mind that this action is permanent. Once a comment is saved, it becomes part of the ticket's record. Therefore, make sure everything is accurate, relevant, and non-sensitive before saving. Once saved, other team members involved in the project will be notified and can review your comment, respond, or even take the next necessary steps based on your input. And there you have it, a straightforward yet crucial process that allows you to enhance communication and keep everyone on the same page regarding your project's progress. Commenting on Jira tickets might seem like a small task, but it's vital for team collaboration, ensuring that everyone is informed and aligned with the project's objectives. So, to wrap up, always start by navigating to your work, select the relevant project, locate the backlog and find the ticket you need, add your insightful comment and remember to click save. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to communicate effectively and contribute positively to your team's workflow. Thank you for watching and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you next time.